friends, the 45% promo is officially live for the 13th Annual Dental Success Summit, taking place June 11th through 13th, 2026 at the amazing Omni PGA Frisco Resort and Spa in Frisco, Texas. We're thrilled to welcome our featured keynote speaker, Gino Wickman, best-selling author of Traction and creator of the Entrepreneurial Operating System, or EOS. Our expanded breakout sessions are also returning with dedicated tracks for both doctors and team members, including clinical leadership, operations, front office, hygiene, and assistance. These were a massive hit last year, and 2026 will be even better. To register, just search Dental Success Summit 2026. DSI and DSN members receive additional discounts on top of early bird pricing, so be sure to check out DSN on WorkVivo for your member codes. A world-class venue, 14 CE credits, powerful doctor and team breakouts, and some of the best leadership and practice growth content in dentistry. This is an event you won't want to miss. The 45% promo is available for a short time and will run until the beginning of March. Prices will increase once this window closes, so make sure to register now. See you in Frisco.